The rise of artificial intelligence is happening faster than anyone predicted, and the consequences are beginning to shake industries worldwide. A recent report has revealed that AI-driven automation is replacing human jobs at an unprecedented rate, affecting sectors once thought to be safe from automation. From customer service to legal assistance, AI systems are proving to be more efficient, cost-effective, and tireless compared to their human counterparts. But what does this mean for the global workforce? Will AI eliminate millions of jobs, or will it create new opportunities that we can't yet foresee? Tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are investing billions in AI research, with each breakthrough bringing more advanced capabilities. AI-powered chatbots, robotic assistants, and even AI-driven software are rapidly becoming a standard part of industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. Just a few years ago, AI was considered a tool to assist humans. Now, it is taking over tasks completely. In some cases, AI is not only replacing jobs but outperforming humans in speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Take, for example, the banking sector. AI-powered financial advisors are now providing better investment strategies than human analysts. In the creative industry, AI-generated art and music are becoming indistinguishable from human-made content. Even in journalism, AI is writing news articles in real time, analyzing vast amounts of data instantly. This rapid shift raises a critical question: how can workers adapt to this technological revolution? Elon Musk, a longtime advocate and critic of AI, has repeatedly warned about the dangers of AI surpassing human capabilities. He believes AI is advancing so quickly that governments and institutions are struggling to regulate it. Musk has even proposed implementing universal basic income to compensate for mass job losses caused by automation. But is this the right solution? Or should society focus on reskilling and adapting to the AI-driven world? One of the biggest concerns is AI replacing jobs in unexpected industries. Initially, it was assumed that only repetitive, low-skill jobs would be automated. However, AI is now capable of handling complex tasks like legal research, diagnosing medical conditions, and even writing computer code. AI-powered robots are working in warehouses, self-driving trucks are reducing the need for human drivers, and AI systems are even conducting job interviews. Governments worldwide are now facing the challenge of balancing AI innovation with job security. Some experts argue that AI will create more jobs than it eliminates, but others warn of a future where human workers struggle to compete with machines. The education system is also under pressure to adapt, as traditional degrees may no longer guarantee job security. Instead, skills like programming, data science, and AI ethics are becoming essential for the future workforce. So, what can we do to prepare for this AI-driven future? Should governments impose restrictions on AI development? Should companies take responsibility for reskilling employees? Or is AI simply an unstoppable force that we must learn to coexist with? One thing is certain: AI is no longer a distant threat. It is here, and it is transforming the world faster than we ever imagined.